Okay, you can see we're running with the stabilizers. They're active right here, and they're not moving very much because it's calm outside. Really calm weather. If another boat were to come by and rock us, you would see the fins move back and forth, up and down and up and down and up and down, same way over here. But we're active. I'm going to press it on center. So they're locked into the center location, and then I'll put them back in active again. Did you feel the boat rock and roll when I put them on center? Let's do it again. Center. I know it's very slight, but the boat's rocking and rolling a little bit. It's calm weather, so I'll put it back on active, and then the boat steadies up. Okay, we'll put on our earmuffs, we'll go downstairs in the engine room, we'll watch the hydraulic arms moving back and forth and show you how those operate. If you've got questions about stabilizers, ask Captain Chris.